Apollo, go on. Chuck a pep.
Oh,
Chuck a pepper in. Chuck.
Nice.
This is our hometown. We live in a city, but we're right by the coast. That's amazing. Way to be. Refreshes your soul. Harrison, throw it in a little bit more. He's like, where's it gone? His coat is still on for some reason. Hey! Yay, darling.
You
Ah.
want to throw one in?
Yeah, just take a video of me doing it then.
Oh,
I think you're going to give me a bit.
pick one up then.
Follow. What's this? What's this? Ready?
Not too far, just a bit.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I wanna play with
Yay! You do it. We've got to take that coat off him, really. Get the coat off him in a minute. You can do it without taking his harness off. Because it's dragging his little body down, I think, a little bit. Southsea Pier, where the Who, Tommy, was filmed. Should we get up on the pier in a bit?
Yeah.
Same when Ken Russell burnt down the end of Southsea Pier. This is my home, my family. I live a couple of minutes up the road. Yeah, this is where Tommy was filmed. It was blown up, so they had to restore it. It's taken years, but yeah. Anyway, back to the dog. Come on then, Apollo! Apollo! Hey! Come on! Come on, son! Right, let's go up this way a little bit. What are they moaning? Oh, he's alright. Oh, bloody hell. And hell, he'd lick you to death, that one. Just saying that's where Tommy, the movie, and Queen's Hotel is about 2 minutes down the road, where Oliver Reed, Keith Moon and the whole cast stayed. We got very, very drunk in between takes and sets. Yeah, come on, son. That's it. Go on, my son. My two sons, and my other son is at home somewhere.